For our 9 weeks project, we chose to research Hurricane Sandy's effect on the temperate deciduous biome. So first we started off with what really makes a hurricane a hurricane. And a hurricane it's a subset of a tropical cyclone, but it's often confused with a tropical storm. But a hurricane actually isn't a tropical storm. A tropical storm has winds of only about 39 to 73 miles per hour, so that's not enough wind speed for a hurricane. A hurricane is a form of tropical cyclone that is comprised of clouds and thunderstorms, and it really starts over tropical waters. From starting over tropical waters, hurricanes are able to pick up the moisture and the warm air from the tropics, and that lends itself to the spinning nature of the hurricane, which you can see in this picture right here. Hurricane season lasts from June 1st to November 30th, and obviously hurricanes can strike outside of that time period, but this is the time period of most concentrated hurricane activity. Hurricanes can strike up and down coastal areas, but they usually lose power as they blow inland, and they mainly turn to rain because they don't have that warm water underneath them to bring up rainwater into their clouds. In 1953, hurricanes began to be named, and at first, as everyone knows, they take a letter of the alphabet and start with A and work through Z. And if a hurricane season is so active that all of the letters of the alphabet are used, they move on to Greek letters. The World Meteorological Organization is the organization that names hurricanes each year. Some of the deadliest storms actually have their names retired because they don't want to use them again. Because, for Katrina, for example, we wouldn't want to refer to a new Hurricane Katrina because that one is so infamous. The wind scale for a hurricane is called Saffir-Simpson, and it ranges from 1 to 5. So this is, if you hear the Weather Channel meteorologists talking about hurricanes, they often classify them as a hurricane of wind speed 2 or 3. Those are the two most common types. A hurricane of Category 1 has wind speeds from 74 to 95 miles an hour, and a Category 5 hurricane has 157 plus mile an hour winds, which pretty much never happens, but it's on the scale nevertheless.